Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another Zukul Trade video. In this video, I want to show you how to fund your CEX exchange. With Zukul Trade, you can use the GDAX exchange or the CEX exchange. I'm in South Africa, so I'm using the CEX exchange. And if you've come to that stage where you want to fund your exchange so that the bot can use that funds to place trades, then you've already opened up your Zukul Trade account and your CEX account. And I also highly recommend you verify your CEX account, or do your FICA, what they call it in South Africa. So you upload your ID and your proof of address. And then what I also recommended in the previous video is that you join Zukul at the same time, because these fees that you pay here for each package is going to be the same whether you join as affiliate or non-affiliate. You don't have to join as affiliate, but I recommend you do, because as soon as you see how good the bot works, I'm sure you're going to want to refer your friends and family to it as well. And then you can earn commission. There's 5 different ways of earning commission with Zukul. So what I recommend is you join, first of all, the CEX exchange, get verified there. Then you go to Zukul, join Zukul, and then you go to Zukul Trade. And then when you register, you use your email that you used for Zukul to register at Zukul Trade. Then the next step will be you go back to Zukul, you sign in, and then you buy one of the packages. If you don't want to be an affiliate, then you can just go here on the Zukul Trade and say buy now. Or if you log in, after you've logged in there, it will also, let me just log in here. Just see if it's loading now. If I go log in, then you can either upgrade or buy here. You can see upgrade trade quota, or I think I've already a member. I'm a beginner member, so that's the second membership. But I think if there's nothing here, then it will say upgrade here. Then you can upgrade. So make sure you upgrade first, because it will say your trading usage will be 300 or up to $300 or 300 units. And in my case, I've already upgraded twice, so I can use anything up to 1,500 units. In my case, I'm working with dollars, so that's $1,500 I can trade with. I've got 2 bots running, where I've allocated $300 each. And if I go to my CEX account, what I did is I transferred from my another exchange or another source. I transferred Bitcoin to my CEX account, and then I exchanged my Bitcoin to dollars, because the bot needs dollars to do the trading. The funds that you see, the Bitcoin here and the Zcash amount that you see here is what the Bitcoin is using, or not the Bitcoin, the bot is using currently to trade, because I've got open positions in both my bots. One bot is a Zcash bot, US dollar, and the other one is Bitcoin, US dollar. But I'm planning to load another bot, but in the next video I'll show you how to load a bot, or to get a bot started. But now I need to fund my account first of all to be able to allocate those funds to the bot. You can see here this is less than $600, but I cannot use that now. That is already allocated to the 2 bots that I've set up. So I don't want to touch that or any of these amounts. I need to add. So if you in South Africa and you've got a Luna account, you can transfer from here. But in my case, I'm I'm going to transfer from my Steemit account. So I'm going to sell some of my Steem to fund my Zukul bot. So when I do the transaction, I'll pause the video to save some time so that the Bitcoin can transfer to from one account to another. So I'm just going to go in here and then I'm going to say sell. I want about $300. I need about $300, and the exchange rate Steem is about $3 currently. So I'm just going to be take a little bit more than that. So I'm going to sell 150 Steem, and then I just want to tell them the dollar. Okay, that's the Bitcoin. Okay, what I should have done first is you need to go to I need to go to CEX, and then I go to deposit. You can deposit with credit cards, but you need to be verified. Your credit card needs to be registered with them. And you can do a bank transfer as well, but you need to get verified for all these payment methods. But the easiest I found is with Bitcoin. So I clicked on deposit, and then I click on Bitcoin here. And then I can select the currency. So I'm just going to add here, then continue. Let me just see. Okay, here's the address that I must transfer to. So I'm just going to pick up that address, 3 and an M. Then I go to my Steemit account. And then I just want to sign in here first so they can... You don't have to sign in, but I'm just going to sign in. 150 is so much Bitcoin. And then the address that I want to send it to, I'm going to send it to this address. It's a 3 and an M. I'm just checking that I've got the full address of CEX. And then I'm just going to click on deposit. You don't have to worry how this works. Luna will work differently to this account. This is because I'm transferring this from my Steemit account. Okay, just want to make sure the amounts are okay. And then transfer using Steem Connect. Okay, continue. You just need to sign into that the program that does the transfer, or the verification rather. Okay, I just want to take note of the exact Bitcoin that I'm transferring as well, because this is the amount that I've got in my CEX account. Okay, so this is pending now, and so we're waiting for 3 miners to confirm the transaction. Let's see if something is waiting or showing here yet. Okay, nothing is here showing here yet. So I'm going to pause the video now. This might take a couple of minutes to transfer. As soon as it transfers, then we'll go further with the process. So yeah, just give me a couple of minutes or for the transfer to... Oh yeah, you can see there it is now. So it's saying waiting there. So we're just going to wait for 3 miners to confirm the transaction, and then it will be available in my CEX account, and it should be added to my Bitcoin. So I'm just going to pause this now until it's verified, and then we can continue with the video. Thank you. Hello, so yes, we're back, and you can see the transaction is confirmed now. It took about just over half an hour, which was quite long. But anyway, it's done now. So now I can close this page here, and then yeah, there you can see the new amount that was added to my Bitcoin balance on CEX. So what I've done was I've transferred from, you can transfer from any wallet. I transferred it from my Steemit account. You might have a Luna or whatever exchange you use or wallet you use. So you just go to deposit, you select a Bitcoin, and then get the address from CEX, and then you transfer it like you normally transfer any Bitcoin, and then you just wait for the confirmations to happen and the balance to appear. But what you've got to do now is you've got to transfer this Bitcoin to the dollar, because to your dollar account, because the bot must use a fiat currency. So it always uses a fiat currency versus some altcoin or Bitcoin. But I'll show you that later on. So I just want to show you then how to transfer or trade or move your Bitcoin to your dollar account. I just want to make sure what was the amount. So there's some funds there. So I want to make sure that what was in there before. You'll have a zero balance, but when you add funds, you must make sure that the balance that was there before is still there, because that is what the bot is using. So I'm going to just round this off, and I'm going to take that bit away, and then I'm just going to transfer 0.053 Bitcoin. Okay, so to do that, you go to trade, click on trade, you still in CEX exchange, and then you click on Bitcoin US dollar, or defaults to Bitcoin US dollar anyway. Then you scroll down. Now it's expanding that graph there. And then here you can see your total Bitcoin balance. If you click on there, it will transfer everything. But in my case, I don't want to transfer everything. I just want to transfer 0.053 Bitcoin. And then that is, I think that's the total amount that I'll receive. And then I just click on place order. Yeah, it's about 435 US dollar, and then place order. And then as soon as the order has confirmed, there you can see confirmed, already sold it, because I took it at the highest bid. So I didn't have to. So there you can see I've got $1,000 in there, but it's actually only 435. The other 600 is already allocated to the current two bots. You can see the two bots that are currently working. I'll just show you what happened so far with my Bitcoin bot. What I've noticed with the Bitcoin bot is that it's very slow, or not aggressive at all. But if you look at the Bitcoin price, it's gone, okay, that's only the 3 hour. If we go the 3 day, it's been going sideways a lot, although it's gone actually gone up. But there was only one trade that happened today. Here you can see on the 19th. And then all the others happened between the 13th and the 15th. But I've got 2 more trades here. But what I've learned from this is that I'm going to set up my bot differently. And I also fiddled with the settings of this bot. And I'm scared that might have influenced it. They did warn us that they're still working on the CEX bot. So just keep that in mind, because the other bots you can sell now immediately. There's a sell now button here if you want to execute your sell order. So I just want to show you the 48 hour. So here you could see 2 days ago it bought here, and then it sold here. So that was a successful transaction. So this uptrend that we had here was a successful one. But before that, 7 days, I've been in now for 6 days. You can see it's actually gone sideways. I think some of my, the other 2, let me just see the prices here. They bought it under 800, and 8,000 and 8,091. It's actually higher than that. But they've got a sell level here, and maybe I put the sell level too high, because you can say if you want to make 1% or 2%, but so far it's made much more than 1 or 2% with these trades. You can see today's trade was 4.37%, and then 3.5 and 3.95. It's about 4% average. So I'm going to set my bot next time to a lower percentage, and if the price goes up, because the bot will wait and see if the price is not going up before it sells. So if it triggers a small percentage, then it's fine. But if the bot doesn't sell and the price goes up, then that's also good. But I must say I'm learning quite a lot, because I'm not a trader. I'm actually learning a lot by just watching this bot and how this bot is trading. So it's also a learning curve for me. Then I just want to show you the other bot. That one's been much more active, but it's as if lately the altcoins are more volatile. So if we go into my Zcash, you can see Zcash to US dollar trades for the last 2 days. So that's 48 hours. You can see how busy it's been. Here's a sell, there's a sell, there's a sell, a lot of sells, and here you can see all the sells. And this was all yesterday. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Today there was 2 trades. I've got 1 trade open from yesterday, but the sell level I bought at less, or not, I had the bot sell bought at less than 250, but it's already 255. So strictly speaking, I'm in profit already, but I think the bot is waiting for a better trade. But you can see it's much more active, the Zcash. So my next bot, I'll probably make also an altcoin bot, but that I'll show you in the next video how I set up my bot. So yes, so that is it's been a much longer video than I thought. It's already 17 minutes, but I just wanted to show you how to get your funds into your CEX account, because the bot can only talk to CEX exchange and the GDAX exchange. I cannot join the GDAX because I'm South Africa, so I joined the CEX. So you transfer from whatever wallet you've got, you transfer your funds to the CEX exchange, and then you must just remember to transfer that amount or your Bitcoin that you've transferred to US dollar. And then the next step is to set up your bot. And then obviously before that, you need to join CEX. I highly recommend join Zukul at the same time, and then join Zukul Trade. Then you go back to Zukul or in Zukul Trade, and then you buy the package that you're comfortable with. It starts with $10 and goes all the way up to $200 for the biggest package. So you can start with, say, maximum $300 and buy the $10 per month package. And then just test it out and see if it works for you. I tested it for only about 3 days, and then I decided to upgrade already. So, and like you see now, I've already added more funds. So I'm in the beginner package, but before that you get the starter package. And then I also want to show you how my funnel is filling up. And that's why I recommend you join Zukul.com as well, because you'll pay the same for the packages, whether you join Zukul or not. But if you join as an affiliate, then obviously you're going to earn, there's 5 ways of earning commission from the people you refer. I'm in this, my starter pack. I started off with that, and I've already got 4 people in here. These were placed by Zukul for me. I didn't find those members. But as I recruit more people, that will fill up there. And then, as soon as you upgrade, then you'll get paid from the starter and the beginner. I'm in the beginner now. I upgraded, I think, yesterday or the day before. So you can see I've got nobody here on my first level yet. So that's just to show you the Zukul. Zukul is a actually an internet marketing company that provides you internet marketing tools for free with your subscription that you get. It's all included. You've got capture pages, and you can, they've got an autoresponder, but yeah, I don't want to go into Zukul details right now, because this video is already 20 minutes. So yes, if this video was any help to you, please give us a thumbs up. Otherwise, join or subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can follow my progress in Zukul Trade. And then if you've got any questions, please comment below. If you want to join my team so that I can help you get set up, you can click on my affiliate links in the description. And then, yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye for now.